Former President Donald Trump is suggesting that he is ready to go to jail for repeatedly violating the gag order in his so-called hush money trial. Now, the judge has held Donald Trump in contempt of court again yesterday and fined him yet another $1,000. But he says the fines don't seem to deter him. Robert Costa is covering the trial here in New York and joins us in the studio to discuss. Bob, it reminds me, good morning to you. It reminds me when my kids were little and I'd say, if you act up again, you're going to your room. And then I realized they like going to their room.
They like the standoff.
So maybe that's not so effective. If he does go to jail, what would that involve? What would that prove?
It'd be highly complicated. The U.S. Secret Service, Gayle, is already having internal discussions about whether he'd be in a holding cell in the courthouse in Lower Manhattan or maybe even in a jail cell in Rikers Island. He'd need the Secret Service with him at all times. But you're right. When I talk to my sources close to the former president, they say he welcomes this showdown with the prosecutors. As he told me just a few weeks ago, he sees the courtroom as the campaign.
Yeah. And it's clear it's almost like he's taunting the judge. Please send me to jail.
And this case is moving along, though.
Yes.
Prosecutors making a lot of progress. Just yesterday, many financial executives from the Trump organization testifying about how records were kept behind the scenes.
Because so what are they trying to establish with that?
It's not just about hush money payments. It's about was there criminal intent to hide payments. So they're talking to people inside the Trump organization about what those payments look like. It's all building towards testimony likely from Michael Cohen, the longtime Trump lawyer.
Any idea how much longer this trial could last?
The prosecution's probably going to take another 2 weeks. Then the defense could call its witnesses. But this is moving quickly. This is a prosecution that wants to get this done sooner than later.
We all want to get it done. It'll be interesting to see if he takes a stand. Thank you, Bob.
Thank you.
We'll see you tomorrow.